Okay. Good good evening everyone. So how are you today? So today we are going to learn about simple past tense. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify and make sentences using simple past tense correctly. Okay, everyone, let's move to the first slide. What is simple past tense? So simple past tense is used to talk about activity or event that already happened in the past. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, simple past tense digunakan untuk menceritakan kejadian yang sudah selesai atau sudah terjadi di masa lalu. Jadi, kalau kegiatannya sudah selesai dan tidak berlangsung sekarang, kita biasa menggunakan simple past tense. For example, I watched TV yesterday. Artinya, saya menonton TV kemarin. Kegiatan itu sudah selesai atau sudah lampau ya. She visited her grandmother last week. Yang artinya dia mengunjungi neneknya minggu lalu. So, untuk membantu kita mengenali simple past tense, ada beberapa time signal atau penanda waktu seperti yesterday, last night, last week, 2 days ago. Kalau kalian melihat kata-kata seperti yesterday, last week, last month, atau ago, biasanya itu merupakan petunjuk bahwa kalimat tersebut menggunakan simple past tense. So, now let's learn the pattern. The pattern of simple past tense. Dalam simple past tense terdapat 3 bentuk kalimat, yaitu positif, negatif, dan interrogatif. The first one is positive sentence. The first one is positive sentence, patternnya S plus V2 plus O, yang berarti S sebagai subject, V2 berarti verb to, and O berarti object. For example, she played badminton. Di sini subjeknya adalah she, kemudian verb to-nya adalah play, lalu objeknya adalah badminton. Okay, next is negative sentence. Patternnya subject plus did not plus verb 1 plus object. Perhatikan bahwa setelah did not, verb kembali menjadi verb 1. For example, she did not play badminton. Kenapa bukan did not play seperti positif? Karena kata did ini sudah menunjukkan bentuk lampau. Jadi verb setelahnya harus kembali menjadi bentuk dasar atau verb 1, yaitu play. Okay, the last one is interrogative sentence. The pattern is did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. For example, did she play badminton? Ini digunakan ketika kita ingin bertanya tentang sesuatu kejadian di masa lalu. Okay, next is let's discuss a verb to. Di dalam simple past tense terdapat jenis 2 perubahan kata kerja, ada regular verb dan irregular verb. Kita perlu mengetahui bahwa ada 2 jenis nih, regular dan irregular. The first one is regular verb. Regular verbs adalah kata kerja yang berubah menjadi verb to dengan menambahkan ed or d to the base form and the verb. For example, play become play, watch become watch, jump become jump, help become help, visit become a visit. Perhatikan bahwa bentuk perubahannya ini masih teratur, tinggal ditambahin ed or d ya. Jadi tidak merubah bentuk kata dasarnya. Sedangkan kita lihat irregular verb, ini adalah tidak mengikuti aturan penambahan ed. Berbeda ya, bentuk berubahnya secara tidak beraturan sehingga harus dihafalkan. For example, go became a went, come became a came, find became a found, tell became a told. Misalnya kata go ini jangan disamain sama regular ya, jangan ditambahin ed jadi got. Salah ya, tapi berubah menjadi when. Jadi kalian perlu menghafal bentuk-bentuk irregular verb karena tidak ada rumus khususnya atau emang penting untuk dihafalkan. Oke, sebelumnya saya mau tahu di sini who here like watching movie at home? Banyak ya. Kalian di rumah tuh suka nonton Toy Story gak? Ya, oke. bagus karena sekarang kita akan menonton cuplikan Toy Story.
Aku Miss, aku suka nonton
Kita
Interstellar,
nonton,
Miss.
lalu kita perhatikan conversation yang terjadi dalam scene tersebut, dan kalian perhatikan ya,
Hebat
ada
kamu tadi.
beberapa kalimat yang akan relate sama pelajaran kita hari ini.
Pernah aku pernah Miss, aku pernah.
Too much, or you'll have to be right back.
Suka banget.
Hey, hello. Hi. Excuse me. Shh. Can you tell me where I am?
The guy's just asking a question.
Well, excuse me. I'm trying to stay in character.
My name's Buttercup. You've met Baron von Schush.
Hello, I'm Trixie.
Guys, look, I don't know where I am.
We're either in a cafe in Paris or a coffee shop in New Jersey. I'm pretty sure I just came back from the doctor with
Kedengeran.
life-changing news.
We do a lot of improv here. Just stay loose, have fun. You'll be fine.
No.
Who wants lunch? Beep boop, beep boop. It has a secret ingredient. Jelly beans.
Somebody's poisoned the water hole.
Poison? Yeah. Who would do such a mean thing?
Ini kayaknya agak nge-lag ya, maaf ya. Wait.
It's good for you, but don't.
No, that's coming from a doll named Doll.
Hide.
Ini sampai mana? Ini ya.
Mean thing. Ah! The scary witch! Look out! She's using her witchy powers! I know where to hide. You'll never find us in here. What's wrong? Ah! She found us! We need a spaceship to get away from the witch!
You're doing great.
Are you classically trained? Look, I just need to know how to get out of here.
There is no way out. Just kidding. Door's right over there.
Well, cowboy, you just jumped right in, didn't you? I'm Dolly.
Woody.
Woody, really? You're gonna stick with that?
Well,
Because now's your chance to change it. New room and all. And that's coming from a doll named Dolly.
Who's the new guy? Are you a real cowboy?
Well, actually,
Of course he's not pea-brain. You don't even have a hat.
I do too have my hat.
Told ya. I found the spaceship!
Showtime.
Quick, get in! Fasten your seatbelt, close your tray table. Hold on, might get a little bumpy. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Yeehaw! You saved us, cowboy! You're our hero!
Oke. Berdasarkan yang kalian tonton yang tadi saya tunjukkan, who here knows which sentence are past tense and the clips? Karena tadi saya sudah ngajarin kan apa itu simple past tense. Jadi siapa yang tahu di sini? Who here knows which sentence are a past tense in
tadi,
this
Miss.
clip? Ada yang tahu? Halo? Oke, karena mungkin pada bingung atau masih pada, atau mungkin kalimatnya itu karena tadi agak nge-lag jadi bingung buat perhatikan sentence-nya. Pokoknya ini adalah sentence yang kita temukan, yaitu simple past tense yang terdapat pada klip tersebut. Okay, let's look at some example. I just came back from the doctor. Oke, verb to-nya adalah came. Best verb-nya adalah Yeah, good. Come.
Fine.
Oke.
Fine, fine,
She
fine.
found us. Verb to-nya adalah found. Best verb-nya adalah? Ya, benar. Fine. Oke. You just jump right in. Verb to-nya adalah jump. Verb best verb-nya adalah? Good job. Ini sama ya, I found a spaceship. Ini sama yang kedua. Ini best verb-nya fine. Okay. So, now it's your turn. So, please make one sentence using simple past tense. Kalian boleh menggunakan pengalaman pribadi atau kegiatan yang kalian lakukan kemarin. For example, I studied English last night. Atau I visit my friends yesterday.
My girlfriend
I'll give
gave
you
me a
1 minute
beautiful cake for my
untuk
birthday,
make
Miss.
one sentence using simple past tense. Ada yang mau jawab duluan?
Ayo dong.
Boleh satu-satu? Semuanya jawab bergantian ya.
Wow.
Oke, good job. Siapa lagi? Oke.
Wow, tadi.
Oke, good job. Kalian udah tahu semua ya. Oke.
Emon.
Okay, before we end today's lesson, let's review what we have learned. So today we learned about simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to talk about activity or event that happened in the past. We also learned the pattern of simple past tense, regular and irregular verb, and how to make positive, negative, and interrogative sentence. Okay, before we finish, do you have any question? Okay, if there are no question, thank you everyone for your participation today. I hope this lesson help you understand simple past tense better. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye everyone.
Bye, Miss. Thank you, Miss. Udah gua stop. Emon, kok bahasa Inggris lu keren banget sih, Mon.